Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have Steam that might be having issues. If you are logging into your Steam account and cannot play games, cannot log in, gives you some error message, or it gives you a message that says your request cannot be processed in some way. In the last 24 hours, there's been quite a few moments where it seems that things are not going well at Steam. So, starting from last night around 10 p.m. and going on, and the latest is just happened about an hour or 2 hours ago. So, it is something that they are looking at. They are working on what's happening. It seems to be pretty much global, as the reports come from everywhere around the world. And so if you have some issues, it's not you. It is Steam. And of course, they are working. The servers seem to have problems, so we don't know yet exactly. Could it be some form of attack, or simply that and that is probably often, most of the time, actually, the major problem. It's they push a update and it's not well configured, and it breaks something, and they have to revert back or check out why it's happening. Human error is most of the time the problem in these cases. So if you have Steam issues, don't worry, it should come back. It is already better, as we see here at the latest reports. So some reports are there, but it's still a little better than that big chunky peak that was just here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.